अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह सलामा। मेरी फैमिली जद्दा एयरपोर्ट पे है, नए एयरपोर्ट पर है। अभी जो है मेरी फैमिली हैदराबाद से दुबई में 14-15 दिन क्वारंटीन के बाद जद्दा पहुँचे हैं। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह अराइव्ड इन जद्दा। They are coming after 7 months here, so by through Supreme Travels. Mr. Tayyib has given very good service to us. Really, they are very much reliable people, and they did a very good job and kind of force, especially with our family. And I recommend everyone to use Supreme Travels. So they are charging. People thought that they are charging a big amount, but it's not a big amount, but it's a reliable and it's a reasonable as per the present situation. So I can recommend, so you can contact with Tayyib Wasif Sahab in Supreme Travels. So they are arranging each and everything. So they are charging 90,000 rupees full package from Hyderabad to Dubai, and from Dubai to Jeddah. They are offering a full package with all the tests here in Hyderabad and as well as in Dubai. And from Dubai, so they are giving hotel also and with breakfast and dinner, lunch and dinner. So it's very reasonable, I can say that, because it's a one way. But as per present situation, it's a reasonable. Because many people are charging some less amounts, but they are giving, it's not giving. They are giving 3-star hotel and all, but it's not that much of a good area also. So, but they are giving very good service. Alhamdulillah, so you can go through, I guess, if you need anything, so check with your families or your friends. So then you can check with me. My name is Khalid Hussain Madani. So you can check, and my mobile number is 0500892601.
Subscribe to Daily Times News and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notifications of latest news and updates.